Have you ever wondered what happens inside the body when we sneeze? A sneeze, which is scientifically known as a sternutation, is a sudden blast of air or mucus that is expelled from the mouth and nose. It begins when dust, chemicals, or a light touch stimulate the nerve endings of the trigeminal nerve. These nerves will transmit a signal to your brain sneeze center, which is located in the lateral medulla of your brain. Once these signals reach a critical threshold, it will trigger a sneeze reflex. The abdominal and chest muscles activate, compressing your lungs, which causes the deep intake of breath. The glottis, which located at the back of your throat, will squeeze shut as your diaphragm contracts, create pressure, and your eyes will also squeeze shut as well. The pressure then will be released, and air, mucus, dust and germs will exit through the mouth and nose at a speed of 160 km/h.